Shen served as an assassin of the Calidus Temple during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. With the war for humanity's soul won in the name of the Imperium, the traitor Primarchs and their legions would scatter to the far corners of the galaxy. Despite their cause being proven false, the traitors to the throne would not relent in their persecution of the innocents of the galaxy. The Night Haunter, Konrad Curze, would lead his Night Lords to the world of Sagwalza. The Carrion world would act as a base of operations for the 8th Legion to continue their slaughter. Enacting depraved genocides across the stars, the Imperium would not allow such cowardly and grotesque massacres to occur. The Assassinorum would assign their veteran assassin, Shen, to end the reign of the Dark King. Within his fortress, built upon the still-living bodies of the Night Lord's victims, the Night Haunter would wait for his killer within his throne room. Revealing to Shen that he had foreseen his death countless times throughout his lifetime and take no action to defend himself. Leaping forth with her phase sword, Shen would cleave the Primarch's head from his body. Claiming his head as proof of her deed, Shen would attempt to flee the now vengeful Astartes of the 8th Legion. Confronted by the Night Lord Apothecary, Talos Valkoran, Shen would, after a brief engagement, narrowly escape. Pursued relentlessly, Shen would finally be cornered by the Night Lords under the command of their Talon Master, Zo Sahal. Slain at the hands of Talos, despite her death, Shen's deeds would nonetheless reach Holy Terra. Her deeds as the only mortal to ever slay a Primarch, etched in history forevermore as the Godslayer.